Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that impacts millions of people around the globe: language translation with AI. Whether it's reading a foreign article, chatting with a friend abroad, or traveling to a new country, communication is key. But what happens when language barriers get in the way? Well, that's where AI comes in. So, let's unpack how this incredible technology works and what it means for us. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this: how many languages do you think are spoken around the world? And how do we bridge the gaps between them? Stick around and let's explore the answers together. To start with, let's clarify what we mean by a language translation. At its core, language translation is the process of converting text or speech from one language to another. Traditionally, this was done by human translators who brought their expertise and cultural understanding to the task. However, with advancements in technology, particularly in artificial intelligence or AI, this process has undergone a remarkable transformation. AI language translation uses algorithms and machine learning to analyze and interpret languages. One of the most well-known AI translation tools is Google Translate. Launched in 2006, it initially relied on statistical machine translation, which used large amounts of data to predict the best translations. But Google has since upgraded its system to a more sophisticated method called neural machine translation. So, how does NMT work? Well, instead of translating word by word, NMT looks at entire sentences and considers the context. This approach allows for more natural-sounding translations, capturing the nuances of different languages. For example, the phrase "it's raining cats and dogs" doesn't translate literally into many languages. An effective AI translation system recognizes idiomatic expressions and conveys the intended meaning instead of a direct word-for-word translation. According to a study by Statista, the market for AI language translation is expected to grow significantly, projected to reach over $56 billion by 2027. This growth highlights the increasing reliance on AI for breaking down language barriers in our globalized world. Now, let's talk about some practical applications of AI language translation. Imagine you're a business owner looking to expand your market internationally. AI translation tools can help you localize your website, marketing materials, and product descriptions efficiently, making it easier to reach a broader audience. For instance, if you own a fashion brand and want to sell in Japan, an AI translation system can adapt your content to appeal to Japanese consumers, ensuring that your message resonates culturally and linguistically. But it's not just businesses that benefit from AI translation. Students and researchers can access a wealth of information in various languages, breaking down barriers that once limited their learning opportunities. Imagine being able to read scientific papers published in languages you don't speak. AI translation tools can open doors to knowledge that was previously out of reach. Now, let's not forget about the role of AI translation in real-time communication. Tools like Microsoft Translator and Skype Translator allow users to have conversations in different languages, with the translation happening almost instantaneously. This technology is a game changer for international collaboration, travel, and even personal relationships. Picture yourself in a cafe in Paris, chatting with a local who doesn't speak your language. An AI translation app on your phone could facilitate that conversation, making your travel experience richer and more engaging. However, while AI translation is groundbreaking, it's not without its challenges. One of the main issues is accuracy. Languages are complex, and AI can sometimes struggle with context, idioms, and cultural references. For example, a literal translation might miss the intended meaning or tone, leading to misunderstandings. Researchers are continuously working to improve these systems, but it's an ongoing process. Another challenge is the ethical considerations surrounding AI translation. With the rise of machine translation, what happens to professional translators? Some fear that AI could replace human jobs. It's crucial to find a balance where AI complements human translators rather than entirely replacing them. Human translators bring cultural nuance, emotional depth, and understanding of context that AI, at least for now, cannot fully replicate. As we look to the future, AI language translation holds immense potential. With advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, we can expect even more accurate and context-aware translations. Imagine a world where language barriers are virtually non-existent, fostering better communication and understanding across cultures. So, to wrap things up, AI language translation is changing the way we communicate across languages, making it easier for us to connect and share ideas. From businesses going global to individuals breaking down barriers, AI translation is a powerful tool in our increasingly interconnected world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI translation? Have you used any translation apps? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one word at a time.